Hi everyone, and welcome to Bow Valley College Library's APA workshop video on APA style referencing. So in your reference list, in APA style, the main things to think about are number 1, who created it, 2, when was it published, 3, what is it called, and 4, where can it be found. So APA usually has who created it as the author. The date is when it was published, usually a year. The title is what it's called, and location can be publishing information or location on the internet. For example, here is a formatted reference for an ebook. We have the author's last name, followed by a comma, a space, and their first initial. We have the year of publication in brackets. We have the title of the ebook in italics and sentence case. And then we have a retrieval statement. So this ebook was retrieved from EBSCOhost ebook collection database. Now I'm going to show you how to get into our APA style guide on the Bow Valley College Library's website. To access our guide, you first need to go to our library homepage. So in an internet browser, type bowvalleycollege.ca/library. This is Bow Valley College's library website. As we scroll down, you will find our APA style guide. Click on the title to access the guide. So the important thing to know is that you don't have to memorize all of the rules for APA style references. APA style referencing says that the rules depend on the format of your source. For example, whether you have a book, an image, a website, or an article that you're using for your assignment. To look at the rules for books, click on Books and Documents. Here you'll find information on various rules for creating references for books. We have rules for print books and textbooks, ebooks, and online reports and documents. If you're not sure what rule to follow, you can look at the cover of your book, the table of contents, and the copyright page. For example, here's a cover of a book with a title, subtitle, and editors or authors. In the table of contents, we have different authors for each chapter. So if there are different authors for each chapter, you follow a different rule. Also, you can look for more information about your book on the copyright page. For example, this copyright page gives information on the publishing company, the year of publication, and the location of the publishing company. Scrolling back up, for an example, I will show you rules for a book or textbook with 7 or less authors with an edition number. You'll see here, first we have an unformatted example reference, followed by a formatted example. You'll notice the red boxes. These give detailed instructions on how to build a reference in this format. For example, we have the author's last names, an ampersand before the last author's last name, the year of publication in brackets, the title using italics and sentence case, an edition number, the location of the publisher, and the name of the publisher. The rest of the page gives more information on where you could find this information in our catalog. Back on the Library Guide, APA Style Guide's main page, if you have, for an example, an article that you're trying to create a reference for, you can click here on Articles. Articles can be contained in journals, newspapers, or magazines, and the rules vary slightly depending on the source format. For example, if you have a journal article with a digital object identifier, or DOI, you click this rule, and it will give you information on how to format this source. Once again, we have an unformatted example at the top, followed by a formatted example. You'll notice the red boxes that give detailed instructions on how to create this style of reference. We have the author's last names and first initial, an ampersand before the final author's last name, the year of publication brackets, the title of the article using sentence case, the title of the journal using title case and italics, the volume number in italics, the issue number in brackets but not italics, and the page numbers. This is followed by a DOI, or digital object identifier. As you scroll down the page, you'll see if you found this article in one of the library databases where you could find this information in the record. And if you need any help, please feel free to contact the RGO Library and Learning Commons. Thank you.